Good evening. This is probably going to be the final video for 2021, and we're going to start again next year with new lights coming along. This is the Eagtac SX30. It is, in my opinion, one of the older lights that is still an amazing torch that I, for some reason, didn't catch on, and I'm still in a quandary in my head as to why most Eagtacs are not a better known brand. You hear about all the Chinese cheaper toys. It may just be because of the price, but they are definitely a light where, of course, they champion constant current, and they champion good quality. They champion a good 10-year warranty on their lights, and I've used them. Speaking of, little plug here to Illumination Gear, one of my favorite dealers, because they're very good responders on they can respond quickly. CR123 adjusters. One of the things about this is they have the ability to rotate the lanyard, and it doesn't get in the way of the back here. So if you don't want that, you can pop this on and take off the lanyard. I'm not going to do that here. I do have the lanyard on it because I like more grip. This is a great EDC. It really is. It offers momentary on. It offers the ability to go up on the modes. It has the 2 switch. I would, of course, ideally love to see 1 full mode switch, but it kind of is. The only thing really not to love about Eagtac is the parasitic drain on all of these lights. This is one of the lesser offenders, however. I've had stuff go wrong with them. I've had so many Eagtac lights, but pound for pound, they're a better light. They are one of the best in terms of quality. They are just overall a super torch. But look at this, look at the dynamics, because we're all trying to challenge ourselves, those of us who are flashaholics, with being provided with options for pocket carry and EDC, or everyday carry. And the reason we do that is because we want to have options to be able to carry something and use it, put it on the side of our pants or jeans or something like that. This comes with an extender to use 2 18650s for longer runtime, again at full current regulation, and that's an awesome option. But you don't need it, because all you need is something like this. This is running XHP35HI. There is an HD version and there is a Nishia version, and an XPL-HI version, I think with V2. I am running a Samsung IMR cell. I'm not using the original Eagtac cell. Some of the ones I have found they're usually pretty good, but I found a better option with one of the Samsungs I had lying around. So you do have a great light here. You have something that fits in the palm of your hand. You have something with momentary on. You have something with full current regulation. You have something that tail stands, no less, which is always a great deal. And then you have something that throws something crazy. That's why this is such a great light. So let's look here. It's got the instructions and the different emitter types. I do believe it has an XPG2, which is also another superior type. So let's go here, and you can see more about the battery capacity, the modes, the blinking battery indicators, and this little son of a gun. If you don't want throw, you want it to even out the beam, you can use that. So let's skip most of this and let's get back to the light itself. What you're really interested in is throw. This thing offers about 76,000 Candela, so you're looking at a very good thrower. In fact, it's really hard to ask for more than that in any practical situation. This thing throws as one of the best lights I have, and yet you can empower it right in your palm, in your pocket, whichever you choose. This kind of gets into what your favorite light is. Will you buy it again? I gave my old one, which had been used since 2016, to a friend who, he's leaving it in his glove box in his car, and it was very old and scratched up, but it was there with me all the time. Well, about 8 months ago, I got bored and decided to buy another one recently, because this is such a good light. So this is an indicator that this is such a good light that it's actually worth buying again. Answer in the comments, please. What lights would you buy again if you gave away, or if they broke, or you sold? What ones are so good that you would actually do it again? Answer that, and now we're ready to head outside. that's about how the hot spot looks there on that darker blue line. There you go. Eagtac SX30 XHP35 HI. One of the best, if not the best, pocketable side switch tactical thrower. 76,000 Candela. This is the way to go. Let's go out. One of my most impressive lights, by far. Using the momentary feature. Oh yeah. Really, it's hard to ask for more throw than this in any context. Very hard to ask